Hello guys, I'm gonna be checking out the new update with the Piñata update. So, first of all, we need to check out the new cosmetics, which are these sombreros, which I really like. I wish I had enough to get these stuff, I only have 220. But that stuff is still there. Got some more hats. I like that hat the most. Alright. Oh yeah. There's a new bat. Which is a Piñata bat. So I would have to unlock the bat and then the Piñata bat, which I don't have enough to do. And so yeah, we'll buy an RPG. Let's go over to the actual like piñatas, because they add like piñatas, which is really cool. And kill and it drops like I think. Gosh. You know who cares about that fan? Let's go. La 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 la. Piñatas! Oh my gosh. I killed so many piñatas. But yeah, they drop boxes, RPG ammo, rocket, flashbang, pipe. But yeah, it takes a while, but you can grab onto it and start hitting it. We'll try and kill it. It has a lot of health. It's gonna take a while to kill. And it also drops monsters, just like the Christmas update. But it just drops these and you can collect all of them. It's like a little Easter egg hunt. Collect all of them. They also scream like the chickens for some reason. I think that they're just basically chickens wearing a disguise. Oh yeah! Ah! I forgot about my RPG. Don't you dare hit me with that rock. Ah, miss, sucker! I need to wait for him to leave. Ah! Get back! Get back! There we go. He's dead. You can just collect these nuts and then open boxes to get another pipe. Arrow. Hi-ya! Oh, it didn't even stick in it. What the heck is a light bulb? Alrighty. Boop. On this. Boop. And it has another tail now. Pin the tail on the donkey. Oh, there's a donkey. I forgot about that one. I don't know how, because it takes up like half of the map. But yeah, that's the update, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and bye.